Today we're making البيضة Matisha. It's a classic Moroccan dish. Eggs and tomatoes. Whenever you don't have the time, you don't have the money, or you don't have the energy of listening to 5 to 6 people all asking for different things for dinner. So that's what they end up getting, because this is easy, it's quick, it's delicious, and it's cheap. And it's a classic. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 3 medium tomatoes and I'm just gonna chop them in half. I'm just gonna get rid of this. If you can, try to get a good quality tomatoes that are a bit ripe. Next thing, grate them. Next thing to do is crush in 2 garlic cloves. I'm just gonna mix everything in. Next is 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Also try to get a good blend. Mix in the tomato paste, tagine on medium heat, and we're just gonna let it simmer until we get a nice thick tomato sauce. My sauce has reduced for the last 15 to 20 minutes. It still has to reduce further, but now I'm gonna add olive oil, spices, and herbs. I'll start with a generous amount of olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going with a heaped half a teaspoon of cumin. Also a heaped half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and just 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix in my spices. It's starting to smell good already. Now I'm gonna add almost a tablespoon of mixed parsley and cilantro. And again, mix it in. I'm gonna reduce it a little bit longer until you clearly see that there's no more liquid. It's getting very thick. Then we're gonna add the eggs. If you find yourself just watching this sauce bubble without doing anything, please feel free to subscribe. I'm just gonna make small spaces here where I'm gonna put my eggs. Take my fork and just gently spread out the egg yolk. So I'm gonna reduce the heat just a little bit, and I will let the eggs cook very slowly. I want them to get creamy, not too hard, not too soft, just nice and creamy. And to finish your tagine, just a little sprinkle of parsley and cilantro. And for me, just a touch of salt. When you add the eggs, the sauce just gets a little bit sweeter. So just the touch of salt is the perfect finish. Thanks for watching till the end. For a lot of us, this was the taste of nostalgia. Something that we had over the weekend, summer nights, very sweet memories. And if you never tried it before, you would actually be surprised how good it is for how simple and easy it is to make. One thing to keep in mind, we never have it for breakfast. I'll leave it up to you, but you know, you might be breaking a tradition or two. Thanks for watching again. See you in another video. Take care.